What's up, guys? I'm here today again with another video, and today we are going to talk about YouTube ads. Now, YouTube ads is a great opportunity for everyone to promote their businesses, or if you have like a music video, or if you have a music and you want to promote it, you want to reach a wider audience, YouTube ads is a great thing for you. I have noticed that a lot of Ghanaians, Nigerians, or even to that extent, Africans do not take advantage of. If you happen to be on YouTube, the adverts you most likely see will come from Yango, Bolt, Uber, or now the most popular one, Kivo Pepe. If you don't see any of these, the rest are most likely to come from outside Ghana, all right? I feel like this is quite sad because you don't see individual people trying to promote their businesses or trying to promote their music or music videos on this platform, and that is the reason why I'm making this video. In this video, I'm going to take us through the step-by-step procedure and processes to create your personal adverts and then put it on YouTube. And guys, it's pretty much simple to do, all right? Without wasting much time, let's jump into it. But wait, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you know someone who owns a business or maybe runs a service or maybe has a music, you can just share this video to them so they can take advantage, because it's really going to help. And then guys, the results is amazing. Let's go.
All right, guys, so no time to waste. Let's get to work. If you are working on your PC or on your phone, you can just open Chrome like so and just search for YouTube ads. Okay, click on enter, and then we are just going to click on the first one, online video advertising campaigns. Then boom, you should see someone playing guitar with a laptop like that. And I'm just going to click on start advertising. No time to waste. Let's go with a new one. Guys, this is how it's going to appear. Now it's asking you, what do you want to focus on? Do you want to drive video views and traffic to a website? This could be like your Instagram page, like the way most of you ladies have Instagram pages, trying to sell clothes, trying to sell shoes and other things. And then if you are someone who is into music or other stuff, then you might probably would have to go for drive video views and engagement with your channel. All right, now by this time you would have created your video and posted it on your channel like I explained. All right, so you need a YouTube channel. By the time you do any campaign, you might have created your advert and uploaded it onto YouTube. If you want to drive traffic to a website like your Instagram page, or if you have an online store or your Twitter page, like this one, or maybe LinkedIn or something, then you should use the first option. But if it's a video on YouTube, then you should look out for the second one. So I'm going to use my YouTube channel as an example. So I'm just going to click on the second one. Now I have to paste the URL for the video. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm using this for some reasons. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it, and then boom, like you can see on the far right side, you can see how the advert is going to appear in a mobile form. You can also see how it's going to appear on a desktop form. For the address line 1, you can say something like, I make high quality tech videos. All right, then the second one, I can just say subscribe. All right, if you're into music, you can just say, I make quality music, blah blah blah, just something catchy that that can draw the attention of people. So I mean, that's basically it. So we just click on next, but then we have a violation. All right, so let's check what the violation is. Number 1, it says capitalization. Excessive capitalization isn't allowed in ad text. Punctuations and symbols are not allowed. And so I'm just going to go back, and I can see that it's from here. Okay, so I'm just going to clear all of these things here like so. Clear them, and then clear this one too. Now warning, I'm going to change it to small letters, warning. Okay, and then the scam as well. I'm going to change it, and guys, it seems we are good to go, right? So I click on next, and then it takes me to the next page. Now, next, choose the locations and language for your customers. You have to choose the locations where you want to reach out to your customers. So for example, I'm in Ghana, so I want to, for example, okay, fine, I'm using my YouTube channel. I want to reach people in Ghana. I also want to reach people in the US. So I'm just United States. You can add as many as you want. Now the next thing is for you to choose the language that your customers speak. So if you are reaching out to people in Ghana, you can choose English. Reaching out to people in France, you can just add the language and say French or something, and you are good to go. All right. And so let's not look at this estimated weekly performance for now. All right, let's not look at it for now. It's very important, but let's not look at it for now. So let's click on next. Now in this page, we have to select the gender, the age, and the parental status of our customers. Do you want to reach out to only females or only males or none? All right, or you want to reach out to everyone? Then that one is up to you. In this case, I want to reach out to everyone, so I just check every box here. Now the age, 18 to 24, 25, 34, and then like that. I want to reach out to everybody, so I just check everything. Parental status, that one too, right there for you to choose which one you want. And then let's scroll down. Once you are done with that, you can just say next. Guys, this is pretty simple, right? Tell us if you want to reach people with specific interest. Okay, now this part is very interesting because you can actually tell YouTube that, okay, you see this advert, show it to only people interested in tech videos, or show it to only people interested in music, or show it to people interested in lifestyle. Lifestyle means that those of you who sell clothes and shoes and those other things, lifestyle is there for you. Those of you with music, who wants to promote your music and other things, you can choose music. In this case, my channel is usually about DIY and tech, so I'm just going to choose technology, news and trends, all of this. I can choose as many as I want, okay, and we are good to go. So that's what you do here. Click on next. This is simple, so simple. Now this is where you have to pay a little more attention to, because I am going to explain something very, very important here. Now, how much do you want to spend for YouTube to show your ads to people? We have this first part where you select your daily budget. So we have $20 already there. Now this is where the right parts become very important. The estimated weekly performance is here. Now you, with $20 in a week, you can get between 190,000 to 540,000 impressions. Now when it comes to views in a week, you are most likely to have between 3.8k and then 12k views. All right, and these are people who are actually going to watch your videos by clicking the thumbnail. All right, now the average cost per view is between $0.01 to $0.04. Okay, so that is it. Don't be alarmed, because you can actually change this figure. For instance, I can change this to say $1 because I don't have much. Okay, now if you change this to $1, then you know what you are getting in the week is going to decrease. So you have 14,000, between 14,000 and 38,000. Okay, and the views, you are going to have 260 to 620. You can start with something small, and then as you grow your sales, as you grow your business, you can add more. Okay, so I don't have enough money, so I'm just going to start with 0.5. all right, and with 0.5 you can see what I'm getting, between 9.8k and 29k. all right, impressions, and I'm going to have between 160 to 370 views. If these are, it's usually in USD, okay, but if you are in Ghana, I'm sorry, you can't have cedis. If you are in Nigeria, I'm sorry, you can't have naira. But then I recommend that you leave it. And guys, this is where you have to review your campaign to be sure that you want it, you really want it. So then I review it. This is how everything is gonna come: headline, trust wallet, blah blah blah, making high quality videos, everything is right. Daily budget is $0.5, and then I'm just gonna click on next. Pretty simple, huh? Yeah, great. So now this is where you have to confirm your payment. So billing country, Ghana is there. Time zone, GMT, Ghana man time. Ghana time, sorry. Now promotional code, this is where, like, if you've received a promotional code from Google, or from maybe you won it somewhere, you went for a party, wedding or anything, and you won it, then you can just put the promotional code here for some discounts. I don't have one, so I'm just going to leave it there. Then if you want YouTube to send you performance tips, performance tips, promotional offers, surveys, and invitations to try new features, you just check this. If you don't want it, you just click on this, but sometimes it can be very important, so I want it. All right, now this is your payments profile, your payment ID, everything here, everything sets. Now at this part, now you have to input your card details. You can pay with your MasterCard, Visa card, and all of that. All right, pretty simple. Now this last part is where I most likely will go for manual payments, because I don't want Google to be taking money from my account without me knowing. I mean, sometimes you can do this, you forget, you're like, hey, this amount of money has vanished from my account, but you may have forgotten that you've done something like this. This is where you have to pay a little attention to. Now if I put payment amount, if I put, I chose 0.05, right? So if I put say $1 there, look at this, amount must be at least $10. All right, so you can't put less than $10 in there. The least amount, or the minimum amount that you can put there is $10. All right, now if you're in Ghana, $10 in cedis converts into cedis is like, shouldn't be more than 110 or 120 cedis. Okay, now, as at now. All right, but if you are starting, then you can try this. I mean, you can just do this $10, but if your business grows and you have some $200 you want to do that, it's fine. You have some $1,000 you want to do that, it's fine, and you are good to go. So I'm just gonna put $10, but guys, I can't pay now because I don't have money now. I don't have money now, unless someone wants to send me some. Okay, if you want to send me money, Charlie, just reach out to me and I'll just send you my account details or give you my mobile money number so you can ship some money off to me. So guys, this is pretty much it, and I hope it was very simple. If I rushed, please let me know in the comment section. If you need to understand anything, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll answer everyone, and then I hope you have learned something today. And if you know anyone who needs this video, please ship it off to them, ship the link off to them, let them learn. Let's grow our businesses together, and let's take advantage of this, because